Hi viewers, I am going to do a bread loaf, that is fish bread loaf, something different to the normal preparation. I will show you how to make the bread dough now, and thereafter we will do the loaf also. I am going to use 250 grams flour into the bowl so that we can beat it, and I have got the yeast, half a teaspoon yeast, 1 teaspoon sugar and a tablespoon of slightly warm water, covered and kept for 10 minutes. Now I am going to use this. If you like, use 1 egg, and you can use 30 grams of butter. That is also, if you like, you can use 30 grams butter too into that. Now what am I going to do? Now I will cream that. Dough could be nicely creamed. Add a little water, just a tablespoon of water, and it should be enough. Now the dough is ready. You can see the dough is really okay. I think I can take this dough, see how it comes. Take this dough, put it into a bowl and nicely knead it. Nicely knead this. And what am I going to do now? Put it into a large bowl, cover with a wet cloth and keep for 1 hour or 1.5 hours till it gets double the size. See, once it gets double, this is how it will be. This is the first stage and this is the second stage. Before we do anything, I said I am going to do a filling. We will see how it is done. A little oil. Now what I am doing is slightly warm it. Finely chopped onions. Then I am using garlic, curry leaves. Then we put green pepper, that is if you like red pepper or only capsicum chilies you can use, and cabbage. All that first we'll put. Lastly only I am going to put the tomatoes. Now we nicely mix it. Along with that I am using the fish, canned fish. You can use whatever fish you like, you can use here, there is no problem. Salt, turmeric, pepper, and if you like you can use a little chili pieces. All this we can mix it nicely and make a delicious preparation, a filling, so that it will be tasty. Lastly only I am going to put the tomatoes. Now what I am going to do is, I take off this heat and put it into a bowl. Now this is ready. Now the dough is ready. The filling is ready. I am going to make another cream. Salt I will put a little. Mustard cream 1.5 teaspoon and a little butter, about a teaspoon of butter. Mix it nicely. Keep that ready. Now my bread dough is ready. This is the bread dough. Roll this dough. I don't want this to become too thin. This is the thickness I want it. Now, this is the mustard, salt and butter. Half. For half the quantity I am using this cream. And into the same thing. Now we made the filling. This filling I am putting. It's a loaf that we are doing, like a bread loaf. I am using mayonnaise sauce. Mayonnaise sauce I am using for you all to show you here. But another time, you keep watching my programs so that you will know. One day I will show you how to make the mayonnaise sauce also. And not only that, if you like, you can put a little cheese, but I didn't want to use cheese because cheese is not healthy. Make it like a loaf. We slightly butter this tray. Put this loaf here. Whatever shape you like, you can have it. Egg yolk. Now what? Sesame seeds. That is if you like. Not that you have to put sesame seeds. If you like, you can use. Now I am going to bake this for 180 centigrades, 360 Fahrenheit, only for 20 minutes. But before you bake, keep in this tray itself for 15 minutes. 250 I did, so that it's going to be really nice and tasty, so that you can see how it comes. See my fish loaf, how it is, because we made it small, but it has become bigger now, and you could see here how the bread loaf looks. My dinner is ready. So you can have it like this. Actually, you will love it to have it, because this is the bread loaf that I have done, fish loaf, right? So try it out and see how it comes, because you will really enjoy. Thank you very much for watching my program. Thank you.